In this video, we're going to use Figma Workshop next to Figma Make for testing how perfectly it can generate a component out of a single prompt. And comment down if you have any experience on those amazing tools. And by the way, if you don't know what is Figma Workshop or what is Figma Make, they're basically two new AI features that lets you generate interactive components, or let's say interactive piece of UI. So without further ado, let's see what do we have. Alright guys, here we have figma.com/make, and you can see that people are building cool stuff in the Figma community. You can see that this cute calendar or hand tracker. Oh my god, you can build something like that with Figma Make. It's cool. Like you can see that old 3D games or some kind of dashboard UI with all of the interactions and everything, and it actually gives you the a pretty good result. Like it's completely interactive and you can try it out. You can basically build a, let's say, MVP with it. Like it's completely useful and incredible if you want to build something like an MVP or something like that. Yeah. So, and on the other hand, we have framer.com/workshop, which is basically, Workshop is a tool that you can build interactive components with it. For example, this scrambler text, analog clock, and something like that. People are building beautiful components with it. Like I've seen on Twitter, and that was amazing. Like, and we're gonna create. We're gonna set the exact prompt that we have on Workshop or Figma Make, and we're gonna see that how they can build something with the same prompt. Okay, so you've seen that all of the examples with Framer in Figma, and yep, let's just try it out to see what it comes up with. Okay, now we are in the Figma Make space, and we can basically write our prompt to see what it gives us. And I want to build a 3D tilt card with editable image on hover. The card should be tilt based on the cursor position, include the shadow on the transfer. Okay, so, and remember that we're gonna try the same prompt on Workshop to see to test it out, basically to see how those two tools works. And yep, let's just basically hit enter, and as you can see, it's thinking. It's hilarious. And you can see that on the, if you switch to the code tab, you can see that all of the codes that are generating of the code structure, folder structure, and you can see all of the reports and logs on the left panel. Okay, and remember that this is the beta version, and I've tried it out. Like it gives me massive results. Like this is a beta version and it's far from a beta basically. And yep, it's ready, and we can, wow, you can change the image as I basically wrote on the prompt. And yeah, let's just hit that like button, and boom, you can see the soft shadow that is following my cursor, and it's pretty smooth. I really like how Figma makes all of those stuff. So now let's just basically go ahead and try the same prompt with Workshop, and yep, let's just hit enter. And as you can see, both of them allows you to basically upload an image. And for example, let's say give it a example. Let's just go back to the Figma Make. You can see that here you can upload an image and give it an example. Okay, so let's just go back to the Framer canvas, and you can see that the codes are generating. It's not as let's say clear as Figma gives you a kind of code preview, or on the preview tab, you can see, you saw that on preview tab, it gives you a nice empty state, or let's say a loading state, and it gives you a code visibility. Like you can easily copy all of the codes, and you can have access to all of the codes that has been generated. Like this is super cool. And yep, we have the tilt image ready. Let's just put it inside the canvas. Let's just basically increase the size of it, and let's center it. All right, and let's give it a run. As you can see, the result needs a little bit more work actually. Like the beta version of Figma Make gave us something like this, which is wow, pretty smooth, pretty cool, and everything is perfectly done here. But in the Figma workshop, you can see that it's lagging and it's not performing as we expected. Okay, so and I know that you can, all of the AI tools, like you have to tweak it a little bit more to to achieve a good result. But the Figma Make, especially the AI beta version, gives you such a perfect result. Like this is super cool. And basically I want to show you something. Like you can build, let's say build a music library with bookmark options and this tilting image. And once we hit enter, you can see that it's gonna generate a whole, like a platform of a music library with bookmark options, and it adds actually all of the necessary features because it's an AI tool. And let's see what it comes up with. And in the framer, you can't do such a thing. You have to use two new tools, wireframer and workshop, next to each other, and build something close to this. I mean, this is generating, but you have to use those two tools. And wireframer, I made a video like 2 or 3 weeks ago. You can watch it here, and it gives you just these structures in wireframes. Like it's not gonna give you a perfect result. You can see the Figma Make gives us the perfect result with the pixel perfect UI elements and all of the components. All right, and the cool thing is actually you can easily copy and paste all of those codes. Like this is crazy. Wow, you can see, you can select the genre, you can select the title, you can search for something, let's say for example forest. You can see the search is working perfect. Like this is amazing. And the tilting effect is applied perfectly, and once we hit play, I don't know if it's gonna play or not, but yeah, never mind, we didn't upload anything. But you can see the bookmark tabs and all of the albums, and you can bookmark something and it goes through the bookmark tab. This is a perfect result. Like I don't know what to say. You cannot build something like that with Framer, at least now. You can just basically let's say you can make the structure, and you have to design it a little bit, or you have to tweak a lot on the workshop to give to achieve something like, for example, this tilt effect. You saw that, okay? All right, now we have tested everything, and let's just go for conclusion. So the conclusion is competition is getting tight right now because Figma officially announced that they're going to launch their website builder at the end of this year. I mean, Figma sites alpha version. It's on the beta right now, and currently Figma Make is killing it with its best results, actually, let's say. I mean, we saw that Workshop couldn't make a tilt image since Figma Make did a great job on the same prompt, and obviously Figma is wiping out a lot of things. And I know the team, I know the Framer team, I mean, and their community, and they're not gonna back down. Hopefully we can see some better results and better tools in the future, but for now I'm gonna go with Figma Make. And for this video, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Peace.